Hi, today is the last assignment in my workshop, and today we will be drawing mandalas. Carl Jung, the well-known psychoanalyst from Switzerland, was one of the first one who used mandalas for the therapeutic purposes. He noticed that drawing the mandalas made his clients calmer, and he also believed that drawing the mandalas helps his patient to externalize negative experiences and also integrate different psychological structures. And what he also noticed that drawing the mandalas help clients to create a distance between the inner conflict and themselves. And there are also two interesting studies that I found. I will link them down below, but here I just want to go shortly through them. Especially the second one is super important for us. The first study took 48 undergraduate students and exposed them to a short stressful situation. And then they divide them in three groups. The first group was coloring mandalas. The second group was coloring this little square pattern. And the third group was just coloring a plain piece of paper. They discovered that in the groups that color patterns, so mandala or the square, the anxiety was reduced compared to the group that colored blank page. The study suggests that coloring mandalas or any type of pattern, even these adult color books that were so popular years ago, can help us to reduce anxiety, and it takes us to this meditative state, benefiting individuals that are anxious or are in anxiety-evoking situation. And the second study that I mentioned is even more important to us. They actually did the study on a pregnant women in the third trimester. They didn't include the women in first or second trimester, but I am pretty sure it applies to all. Anyway, coloring or drawing the mandalas reduce their anxiety. Let's start with today's exercise. What I prepare is the templates of mandalas for you. I didn't draw the patterns for you, but what will you see is the circles. I knew from my studies and my work that drawing mandalas lowered the anxiety. But what I added when I was preparing for the birth is I decided that the middle of mandala will represent my cervix opening. So that's why you have 11 worksheets, as you can see, and the first one is the closed mandala. And then it goes from 1 centimeters to 10 centimeter. As you know, cervix is opening when you are giving birth. And what I want you to do till a month before giving birth, you can draw, you can work on the closed mandala. But the month before the birth, you can start working on cervix opening mandalas. Listen to yourself. I started a month before, and when I was drawing them, I was imagining how my cervix is opening. First to 1 centimeters, and I work on it for 3-4 days, then 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you are uncomfortable imagining that the cervix is opening a month before the birth, because some people have the fear, or reality is that they might be giving birth too soon, don't do it. Listen to yourself. You can start a few days before the due date. It's up to you, whatever your body is telling you to do. This is it for the workshop. I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments. In the last goodbye video, I will share a few articles that I wrote regarding afterbirth and also a touching story that helped me in my motherhood.